Welcome to Kim Target. Let us solve this problem. N2O4 is dissociated to 33% and 40% at a total pressure P1 and P2 ATM respectively. Then the ratio of P1 by P2 is, they have shown that P1 is the total pressure when N2O4 dissociated by 33% and P2 is representing the total pressure when N2O4 dissociating into 40%. So first let us write the equation. N2O4 on dissociation produces 2NO2 at a time t is equal to 0. Initially they haven't given the concentration of N2O4, so that's why I'm assuming it as 1 mole. At a time t is equal to t means which is at equilibrium, it is going to be reduced by alpha, and as NO2 is the product, it increases by 2 alpha times. Then number of moles, this is representing the number of moles. If you find out the partial pressure is equals to going to be mole fraction into total pressure. So 1 minus alpha divided by total number of moles are going to be 1 plus alpha. And if you want to know the partial pressure, this has to be multiplied with the total pressure P. I am assuming its total pressure is P. In the similar fashion, the partial pressure of NO2 is 2 alpha divided by 1 plus alpha into P. Now let us write the equilibrium constant Kp. Kp is going to be partial pressure of NO2 square, partial pressure of N2O4. If you substitute the above values in this, 2 alpha by 1 plus alpha square into P by 1 minus alpha into 1 plus alpha. If you simplify this one, this is going to be 4 alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha square into, sorry, it's 1 plus alpha. 1 plus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. If you cancel this one, this is going to be 1 time. And finally, we are going to have 4 alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha into 1 plus alpha is going to be 1 minus alpha square. So this is the fundamental equation we need to solve this one. So yet 33% dissociation, its total pressure is P1. In such condition, Kp is going to be 4 into alpha square. Alpha square means 0.33. They have given the percentage, I am taking into the alpha, so square divided by 1 minus 0.33 square into total pressure P1. In the same fashion, at 40% Kp of this reaction is going to be 4 into alpha. Alpha means here it is 0.4 square divided by 1 minus 0.4 square into P2. But we know that Kp for a reaction is constant. Therefore, the above two values are going to be equal. So 4 into 0.33 square divided by 1 minus 0.33 square is equals to 4 into 0.4 square divided by 1 minus 0.4 square. Just to simplify this one. So here it is the P1 times and this is going to be P2 times. But actually we need P1, P2. But here see this 0.33 can be written as 1 by 3 square. So which means 1 by 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9. P1 is equals to This can be written as 2 by 5 square, which means 4 by 25 divided by 1 minus 4 by 25 P2. But actually we need to find out the P1 by P2. So P1 by P2 is equals to 4 by 4 by 25 into, this is going to be 25 divided by 21, total divided by 1 by 9 into, so 9 by 8, cancel this one, 25 25. This is going to be 4 by 21 into 8, so 32 by 21, whose value is matching with option 4. Why? Because 32 by 21 is equals to 1.5. It is 1.5, and 8 by 5 is equals to, it is about 1.6, which is close to the 1.5. So that's why option 4 is the right option. Thank you very much.